So we're here on the Plixir stand in Munich, and debuting is the new Plixir Cube 8 balanced power supply. We have one of these currently in order at the factory with UK outlets. There'll be 8 on the rear, and we plan to have a review done on that very soon, so please keep an eye in the hifi press for that to appear. Next to it is the Cube 4, which is a lower power model, but also has 4 outlets available. The full details of these are on our website currently, and I'm sure Grant will pop up the tech specs for you to look at right now. We have the rest of the Plixir range visible here. All of these models are currently available from us. We see the vertical 3000 V model, and then the smaller 3000H. H simply denotes horizontal. We also do fully balanced linear power supplies for smaller devices like streamers, DACs, and even network switches. These are absolutely amazing. We use them in the showroom. In fact, we have a 3000H model currently on demonstration in the showroom if you want to come in and have a listen. Anyway, look out for the review coming in the hifi press very soon, and we also have these available on a full 30-day money-back guarantee.